Hey. How's your bean? Good? Yeah, I guess it's good. Hey. Keep eating.
His face looks huge from here. Oh no, it's going in his cheek. It's gonna go. And there it goes. Give him another one. Give him a carrot. Just on.
What do you have in your cheeks there? Oh, okay. Here you come out. Hey. You want a grape?
Is he sleeping?
You want a grape? Hey.
He lies down for a grape. Look how big his cheek is. A fat hamster.
You get sick. I'll give you a carrot.
Oh no, he deflated.
Here. Carrot? No, he wants
He
the...
doesn't know what a carrot is.
He wants the grape. Here you go. Here. Hey. Carrot's over here, dummy.
A carrot is
I mean that grape. Okay. Deciding to escape.
He doesn't have good vision.
Look. Okay. We're done. Bye.
I'll go show Mom.